Involve youth for ideas. Make them your sounding board. Throw idea at them. Even how the masjid being structured. When we were building Adam Center, we thought about having the basketball court to be the first thing to be built. Is the place what we use it now for Friday. And many people say, how come you allow people to play in the masjid? I say they play during Rasulullah time, you know? And the place where they play and pray. They play basketball, time of Salah, they go to the, and pray. And the same place you can use for Jummah. You know, sometimes we have waste of space in our masajid. We don't utilize the space to be youth-friendly or women-friendly, for that matter. I know we're speaking about the youth. But it's very important to have it, you know, very inviting to the children. Therefore, the space has to be, I think you should consult with your youth in the masjid. Number 3, that have youth to sit in executive committee of a mosque. What I'm talking about here, that there's some youth who are second generation, now alhamdulillah become head of the mosque, president of Adam Center of One Jacka, born and raised in America. The vice president was a female sister, grew up in America. But I'm talking about youth being represented in executive committee, sit and talk about what they're going through. This is number 2.